Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can expand or stretch a video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank project open, and I have a video imported, and I'll be using that video to show you how you can stretch this. Now, if I take the video and drag it into the timeline, as you can see, it is not stretched to the full 16:9 aspect ratio, and I want to stretch it for some reason. Now, I can just click on the nodes and stretch it out, but as you can see, pieces of the video will get cut out. If I stretch it to both ends, the bottom and the top will be cut out, and that is absolutely not what we want. To actually stretch out the video in a good aspect ratio, you need to know what the aspect ratio you recorded the video in is, and then click on 16:9 or whatever aspect ratio is selected, and then you need to select the one that fits you best. Now, this is the only selection that you have. You have either 9:6, which is the inverse, you have 1:1, which is just a square, you have 4:5, 2:3, and 21:9, which is even wider than that. But yeah, as you can see, there is no exact ratio that fits me the best, but for example, if I wanted to, let's say, take this, I could easily stretch it here. As you can see, it'll be cut off as well, but that's pretty much the best that you can do. All you need to do is pick the aspect ratio that is closest to the video you're editing, and then you can use it to actually stretch the video out. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.